very good evening. We start with the biggest issue facing mankind and the advice to the government that would mean dramatic changes to the economy and our own lifestyles. The Committee on Climate Change says the UK needs to stop its contribution to catastrophic global warming by eliminating almost all emissions by 2050 and simultaneously planting millions of trees to remove carbon from the atmosphere. But a Sky data poll carried out today suggests more than half of respondents aren't willing to change their lifestyle. I'm joined now by Sky's science correspondent Thomas Moore, who's been looking at the results of the Sky data poll. More on that in a moment, Thomas, but tell us now a bit more about these recommendations.
Well, this is a roadmap to eliminating fossil fuels from the UK within a generation. And our life in 2050 is going to look a whole lot different. And that's going to start with the way we get our electricity. Now, at the moment, there's an awful lot that comes from gas and still some from coal. But in future, 4 times more is going to be coming from green alternatives, clean electricity, and all of that will be wind turbines. 2,000 of them dot our shallow coastal seas at the moment. That's going to increase by another 6,000 in just a few years. Now, what are we doing all that electricity? Well, some of it's going to be heating our homes, because what they want to do is get rid of our gas boilers. That's producing an awful lot of carbon dioxide. 25 million of them are going to need to be replaced in the coming decades. Now, some of that will be through storage heaters and so on. Some of it will be coming through heat pumps, but it's going to be a transformation in the way we warm our homes. The next thing is transport, electrification of cars. That is already beginning to happen, but what the committee is saying is we need to be far more ambitious. Now, the government has a target of 2040 of getting rid of petrol and diesel. The committee is saying we should be doing that 2030. As soon as that's not far away. And then, of course, there's meat. Beef in particular is a big source of carbon dioxide with all those cows.